Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the control board on your dryer, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4" nut driver and maybe a small flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first thing to do before we start this job is to disconnect power to the dryer. So if it has a cord, simply unplug it, and if it's a hardwired dryer, you'll need to locate the fuse or breaker panel and turn the power off there. Now once we've done that, we can pull the dryer far enough forward that we can access 2 1/4" hex head screws that secure the top to the back. Then just lift up on the back of it, pull it back about a 1/2 inch, lift it off and set it aside. Next we'll remove 2 more 1/4" screws that hold the bracket that the control board is sitting on. We can then lift that bracket up so we can gain better access. Now using your flat blade screwdriver, we're just going to gently push down on the locking tab for the connector at the front of the board. And disconnect that. And we'll also disconnect the remainder of the wire harness connections. And if there are locking tabs on them, you'll need to depress those. Then there are 2 large wires at the back on the relay. We'll just pull those off. Now all that remains is a single 1/4" hex head screw that secures that control board bracket to the mounting bracket. So we'll remove that. And there is 1 small locking tab on the bottom. Just need to depress that and push that board forward and it will lift out. So we can discard the old board. Take the new board, line up the 2 front feet on it and the one on the left rear. Set those down into the appropriate slots. Pull it back, and the little locking tab should engage on the bottom. And secure it with the retaining screw. Reconnect all of the wires. Make sure they're fully inserted into the sockets and that the little locking tabs engage. Reconnect the cable to the interface board and set that whole bracket assembly in place. We'll secure it with the 2 1/4" screws. Take the top panel, we'll just set that down over the edge of that bracket at the front. Let it lay flat and then push it forward so that it engages the top of the control panel. We'll install the 2 retaining screws at the back. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.